why do we think you should work with Edifecs? Well, first of all, we, as I noted, have experience, deep experience with this part of the industry. We know the patterns, the workflows, and we have oriented all of our design, both around our fire solution as well as our other solutions, to make sure that we are solving the use cases with our deep expertise and knowledge, which means that these are solutions that we can stand up quickly and reliably, and that we can keep the cost of maintaining them low. And we can also avoid the need to constantly tweak and change things because of, again, our experience and flexibility, understanding where the differences are going to exist from one customer to another. We can do this in a very incremental way. So our solutions are modular, which means that you can pick the use cases that you need to solve for us without sacrificing that strategic vision. So you can basically pick the things that you need and not buy the things that you don't need, but you can also add them in later with very little additional investment because, again, it's a common platform with a common data model, and we know how to integrate our solutions quickly into our platform. We've got some of the best tooling that you will see in terms of being able to monitor transactions and activity on your systems in production. So being able to, for example, see what is happening with a prior authorization, what went wrong, why were we not able to process this, and not only why were you not able to process it, but even as far as how do we fix it so that it will process without having to go call the provider back up again and say, hey, can you resend that again? But oh yeah, don't, take 50 characters off this field or something like that. Additionally, because of the way that we've built our solution to be both modular and extensible, it means that once you get past 57F, we know there's going to be another one after that. CMS is going to continue to expand their rules around interoperability, driving more investment in fire and more use cases that they're going to target. And those will all neatly slot into our infrastructure and our solution, and we will offer those use case-based solutions for those things. So it'll be a very easy adoption process to true yourself up with the new rules that are coming out. And we have built all of these things around this idea of self-service. So really making sure that you can do as much as possible on your own without having to get on the call with support every single time. So providing robust tools to help you operate and get value out of your system. And then additionally, for your customers, for your members, for the providers that you're working with, and for even other plans that need to exchange data with you, providing self-service tools to facilitate that connectivity as well. So net of all of that is going to reduce how much it costs you to operate these systems if you decide to go with a vendor like us, because we do have all of those tools. We're not doing it for the first time like Chris mentioned, right? We've done it again and again and again, and we have a repeatable set of use cases and tools that are very powerful that we can bring to bear for you.